Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing AT&T Internet Air and Xfinity in 2026. So if you are confused between AT&T Internet Air and Xfinity, you are, trust me, not alone because both offer very different types of internet. So the real question here is which one is actually better for your home in 2026. So first of all, let's understand this. These two types are completely different technologies. AT&T Internet Air is 5G wireless internet, while Xfinity uses a cable connection. That difference alone changes everything. Now, if we talk about the speed and the performance, so Xfinity generally offers fast and stable speeds, especially for the heavy usage like gaming and streaming. On the other hand, AT&T Internet Air is going to give the speeds up to around 300 Mbps, but the performance can fluctuate depending on the signal strength and the network traffic. So, in simple words, Xfinity is more consistent in performance, whereas AT&T Air is flexible but less stable. So if I talk about the pricing, so AT&T Air usually comes with no contracts and simple pricing, which may you prefer. The Xfinity can be cheaper at entry level, but sometimes include the data caps or extra fees depending on the plan. So the cable internet like Xfinity is generally most reliable because wireless signals can be affected by the distance, walls, and even weather. But AT&T Air has one big advantage, which is easy setup. No technician, no drilling. You just have to plug and use it. So if you move homes or you want something simple, this particular point is a big plus. So if you want stable speed, better performance, and gaming or heavy usage, you can go with Xfinity. But if you want a simple setup, no wires, and flexible plans, then AT&T Internet plan can be a better choice. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.